All right, last question here of the test. If you've watched the previous 35, congratulations. Hopefully some of this actually made sense. So here we go, last one. Gary has $3 in quarters and dimes. And he has 2 more dimes and quarters. How much of each kind of coin does he have? Well, let's try again. So his total is $3, right? And that's made up of dimes and quarters. So we don't know how many total coins he has, but we know that they add up to $3. So how much is each dime worth? Well, each dime is worth 10 cents. That's not a 10, that's a 1. And how much is each quarter worth? Well, it's 25 cents. Ew, if you don't like decimals, you can just multiply everything by 100, move the decimals over 2, and you end up with 10d plus 25q equals 300. And then it's like, yeah. Well, what could we do here? Well, we can divide everything by 5 if you wanted to. But, yeah, let's just do that. Let's just divide everything by 5 and make it a little easier. So now we got 2d plus 5q equals, well, 30 divided by 5 is 6. So that'd be 60. Okay, so this is basically a simplified version of this. Now, what's the other equation? We know he has 2 more dimes and quarters. So here's the thing. Dimes on one side, quarters on the other side. Is this going to be -2 or +2? He has 2 more dimes and quarters. So that means if he has 3 quarters, he has 2 more of 5 dimes. So 3 is here. 3 minus 2 is not d. So okay, we'll just change it to plus. So you could write that. So that's one way of doing it there. And again, we can just plug this in if we want to. So d here is 2d, and each d is q plus 2. So let's rewrite this. So we got 2q plus 2 plus 5q equals 60. So that's going to be 2q plus 4 plus 5q equals 60. I'm getting nervous because I don't know if these numbers are going to work out. So combine the q's, 2q plus 5q is 7q, and then you go 4 minus 4 is just 56. And they say, hey, how many times does 7 go into 56? And it's 8. So what do we know? We just found out that q equals 8. That means there's 8 quarters, and look at that. There's 8 quarters, there's 2 more quarters, there's 2 more dimes and quarters, so dimes would be 10. Is there an easier way to do this? Yes. But however, to use the system of linear equations, not so much. What would have been an easier way to do it? Well, if you know there's just 2 more dimes and quarters, well, you can just start listing it out. So if there's 0 quarters, there's 2 dimes, and that would be, well, 20 cents. 1 quarter, 3 dimes. That would be something more awkward. So let's just do even numbers. So 2 and 4, so that's 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Boom, so that's 90. Let's do 2 more. So let's do 4 quarters, 6 dimes. So that's $1.60. So if you notice, every time, boom, plus 70. Next one, boom, plus 70. So we can just add 70 every time. Boom. And that would be 2 more, so it'd be 6 and 6 quarters and 8 dimes. And if we added 70 cents more, boom, we get $3. And if you just double that some more, so that not double, but just add 2, so that'd be 8 and 10. So you know what, to check yourself or to solve it without system and equations, you can just sort of use a pattern and continue it. However, if it says systems or equations, then I'm sorry, it's not your lucky day. Congratulations, you're done.